So in this video, we'll learn how to use the walkthrough in Revit and use of that. Client walkthrough are basically used for the client presentation. These walkthrough provide a more engaging and impressive way to present design compared to a static images or floor plans, elevation, etc. So how to use the walkthrough? To use the walkthrough, go to the View tab, select walkthrough from the 3D view section. Click to set your starting point and trace the path of your model. Adjust the path to follow the natural flow of the building. Then finish walkthrough. Then use the edit walkthrough panel to adjust the speed and frame count and camera angles. These are the eye levels of the cameras. To set the eye levels of camera and for the realistic perspective. And you can see here like a previous keyframe. Select previous keyframe and adjust the eye face. Previous keyframe, adjust the eye frame. Like this, you can adjust the camera faces. Like this. And just click on play button. So you can see this camera is rotating around your building how you want to present to the clients. You can adjust this view range also. You can see it in a walkthrough also, how the model was created like that. Adjust the view tab and play button. So you can see the beautiful walkthrough to present to the clients. It is ready. To keep it more realistic, go to the visual styles. In that you can click on the realistic or smooth texture. And you can play with that also. To save the walkthrough, go to the File tab. In that export, bottom you can see Images and Animation. In that, click on Walkthrough section. Now you can see one window. In that you can adjust frame range, speed also. Click on OK. It will ask the file location where you need to save. Click on OK. Now the walkthrough is getting saved. Once the video got saved, you can go to the location where you saved. In that you can see the walkthrough is saved. So this is the walkthrough video what we saved.